Let's talk about your time and punctuality. So, examiner will ask you, do you think it's important to be in time? If I ask this question, do you think that it's important to be on time? What could be your answer? Tell me.
Ac- mm, According to me, yes, it is very important to be on time or to be punctual toward any work that you are doing, whether you are doing studies or work, or any your home or any your household work, because when you do, it is said that it's time is like a river. If it goes, it will never gonna come back. So so to be on time, it is very essential to our of our life part, essential part of our life.
Okay, good. But it is also okay. You have to speak precisely. Like time, punctuality always represents your personality. You are identified, you are recognized with your timing.
Yes.
People will respect you if you are on time. Of course, it's very important for me. Even I have to complete my study within a time limit so that I can work better in future. So
Mhm.
on it means when you try to speak, try to speak precisely, try to speak in a time frame as well as using vocabulary. When I spoke with you very first time, you were stammering a lot, but now you are cool. You understand how
Yes.
we have to, today I will provide the tricks.
Mhm.
How can you prepare? Okay, these topics. So look, here I have made one question with a do. So do you? Did you? Okay, why do you? Why did you? How far? How often? These are the questions. Okay,
Yes.
what about? Yeah, when? So today I will provide you such information so that you can prepare these questions, okay, at your own. And of course, one fine day you can find what I'm expecting from you, what examiner will expect from you, what else part one, part two, part three, speaking part that is expecting from you means you have to speak clear, precise, and everything should be okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here the first question. Now, again, related to this question, I ask you, like, what do you feel when others are late?
As I'm a punctual girl, I like to be on time. So according to me, when I see someone is not on time or they are arriving after the time, I feel annoying, because to be on time is the part of our life, of of your work. So if you are coming late to your work, it is anyone, it is all's responsibility to be on time.
Good. So you have to speak here because it's part one and you have to speak three and four sentences, but in a flow. Here you have, I feel annoyed. It was only the good answer. You have to learn expressions like I feel disappointed and irritated. These are the words that is very suitable here. Okay. The people who don't respect the time, mostly I'm quite irritated with those people. Okay. When I wait for someone according to the given time, and if somebody, and do not speak you, don't indicate you, means you are indicating to the examiner.
Okay, sir.
Okay, somebody or we.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understand? I think the same thing happens with your writing task. What I corrected you. Okay, so
Yes.
again, you try to make your mind. You don't have to indicate when you are late. No, it means you cannot indicate you. We cannot entire people when people are late. Understand? Write down the notes, but I'm speaking some of the punchline, some extra information that you have not so far considered about this thing.
Yes,
And
sir.
I know from here you can boost your confidence. You will be easy to crack speaking task. I know speaking part. And one fine day how you're speaking, you can check your own fluency,
Mhm.
stammering, fumbling, the very first day when you spoke to me. And now
Yes, sir.
I will tell you to speak in a calm, in a cool, because you know everything. Why you should take the benefit of your knowledge. You have to learn how to respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now this question is something different than this one. Are you yourself very late often? Okay. Now answer this question. Think and speak, no problem. Understand how you are speaking. Think and speak 2 and 3 lines, but try to make those sentences quite clear using compound sentences and having good lexical resources. Now, my work today will be okay if I train this one.
Okay. Sir, can you please explain me in Hindi?
Okay, चलिए मैं आपको
Just
हिंदी में
one,
समझाता हूँ.
one, 1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
चलिए इससे हिंदी में समझाने से पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप मेरे साथ means you have been studying with me for more than 3 days. It's your third sessions with me. So
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, how do you feel right now? Tell me, it means what are the things that you have been getting from me? Tell me, it means what, how it is very useful for you in your future and for this IELTS examination. Let me know about you so that I can also be inspired for myself and I can train in the same way. Come on, speak.
Okay. Sir, first of all, I'm like more focused. I feel like more focused. I feel like I want to study. I have to study. I have to study. I want to study more. Like, before I just do one task and it's okay. Okay, chalta hai. But now I want to do more and more and more. Like I sit and I really study. I look for vocabularies, even though actually today I have written task one. First I have looked for synonyms. I actually searched it and I write it down, and I memorize it. I try to memorize the synonyms of the words, many synonyms. So like now I'm more like I have interest in this one. So अभी मेरे को लगता है मैं और करना चाहती हूँ। एक टास्क खत्म होने के बाद लगता है एक और कर लेती हूँ, so that
Means
I can score good.
you have developed the interest in that, and that's
Yes,
why my work is. मेरा जो काम है, my work is to provide exact information. And here, look, when I started task 2, you have like come across with many synonyms, the words, lexical resources, and they are quite helpful in your speaking also. When
yes,
you,
sir.
how I have given a lot of words and the synonyms means when you try to speak here, of course, you need to change your sometimes sentence structures and lexical resources. And now
Yes,
I have given you how to explain the topic sentence. When you
yes,
take the
sir.
topic, try to elaborate with the topic sentence. पहला
Mhm.
जो आपका पंच लाइन हो, बेहतर हो, कैसे भी तो कुछ देर पहले समझाया मैंने, यहाँ पे आप डू यू थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी ऑन टाइम. तो देखो, ऑन टाइम पंक्चुअलिटी एक थीसिस स्टेटमेंट दीजिए,
Mhm.
because time and punctuality reflects your personality.
Mhm.
And again, I explained you that how to feel when others are late. It's talking about your feeling. आपको अब feeling से संबंधित बहुत सारे words आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे.
Mhm.
आप खुश हैं, बहुत सारे I'm elated, I'm exhilarated, okay, I'm overjoyed. अब I'm happy बोलेंगे तो थोड़ा सा common sentence. Clear?
Yes.
तो आपको changes करने हैं, सीखने हैं उससे अलग-अलग words. तो लेकिन are yourself late very often? Means क्या आप खुद ही अक्सर लेट हो जाते हो? How to speak? Are you yourself late very often? बोलिए.
सर मैंने क्या हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि भी आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर, ऐसे
ना,
कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
नहीं,
नेवर।
आप ऐसे बोले सर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइम, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन. कितना अच्छा इसका जवाब है सर. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन. समटाइम्स इफ आई लीव अर्ली एट माय प्लेस बट on the way I get stuck with the traffic, and it is obvious, it is inevitable. Nobody can, okay, break, nobody can breach such circumstances. But ये sentences. So actually I'm quite punctual, but due to heavy rain, due to heavy traffic jam, sometimes I late. तो देखो, very often, no, अभी सवाल क्या, ये की वर्ड्स है, very often. मतलब क्या आप बार बार हमेशा लेट हो जाते हो?
हम्म।
Once in a blue moon it happens. It depends on the situation. मैंने क्या आपको पंच लाइन दिया? आप सवाल में ही जवाब ढूंढने की कोशिश करोगे, याद रहेगा आपको?
यस सर।
तो इस सवाल में जवाब आपने देख लिया. आर योरसेल्फ लेट वेरी ऑफन मीन्स वेरी ऑफन. अब आप जवाब दीजिए. आई थिंक आई हैव टोल्ड यू हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस आंसर.
यस सर।
राइट. Speak slow, that is acceptable because it's your training part. I know that you will speak here better. Come on.
Oh, actually, as you told now, I memorize all those things.
कोई बात आप जो मैंने बताया whatever I told you speak sir it depends on the time but I am quite punctual it doesn't happen with me every day very often आपके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता है ना ये सवाल तो यही है कि
Yes,
are you yourself late very often आप हमेशा हो जाते हो क्या लेट तो आप
नहीं.
बोलोगे नो सर एक्चुअली आप अब देखो एक बात और भी आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ जो बहुत आज का मैं क्लिक करके आपको भेजूंगा सर वर्ड्स एंड गैप फिलर्स आपको
Yes,
दिख रहा है
ये जी जी.
these are very very important
Yes, sir, I have noted it down. You have given me one more picture, and I
yes
have noted it down in copy as well, and I read it.
I've explained you can be in touch with communication all the time. You can carry on communication. अब ये सवाल are you yourself late very often देखिए ना sir as a matter of fact in fact not at all ये सब words हैं I think sir the thing is that these are the beginning you can start with the warm of beginning so that you can find out the time
Yes, sir.
you can speak something better start आपकी so actually इसे start कीजिए sir as a matter of fact आप पहले अपने आप फाइंड कीजिए नो नॉट नॉट एट ऑल ये जवाब आपका नॉट एट ऑल आई एम
Yes,
क्वाइट
sir.
फाइन बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन बट अब एक कंट्रास्ट आ गया ना कहीं आपको बट का इस्तेमाल करना है ओके
Yes, sir.
इस्तेमाल करना बिकॉज का इस्तेमाल करना बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टाइम्स
Hmm.
वंस ब्लू मून इफ अब रीजन देना है वंस इन ब्लू मून बट के साथ रीजन दे दी रीजन क्या है ट्रैफिक जैम है अब कीवर्ड से देखो वो सब कोलोकेशंस भी हैं कीवर्ड्स भी हैं heavy rain traffic jam or any incident
Yes, sir. Or any construction on the road.
yes this is you understand what I'm expecting from you here
Yes,
the gap figures you have to memorize but you have to try to take it in your habit for every time
yes, sir.
I have
Yes,
taken tell me
and sir, I want to ask about my introduction. How should I give it, and what should I tell them about it? Because previously it was like a simple introduction. First, I tell about my studies, then about my family, and then about my hobbies.
Hmm.
That's three things I tell. But now I don't know. I'm like confused. Like, what should I tell them? Should I tell them about my 12th as well, or should I tell them that I
No,
did my
they will
degree?
ask you let's talk about your study your when they talk about they don't they don't ask you in a single sentence you entire information if they
Mhm.
ask you tell about do you work or study how the very first day I started with so you can say study but what are you studying right now at the moment so you have to explain two
Mhm.
and three lines that are enough okay
Okay.
I have been graduated from this and right now I'm planning look the present and future and the past also this is the good structures of sentences that you are going to produce in front of the examiner now if this is your study has the three phases what you did what are you doing right now at the moment and what will do try to speak about right now you understand what I'm asking
Yes, sir.
do you work or study
So I study.
so now explain about study
I have done my 12th. I have done my 12th in year 2000 to 2006.
one more thing so actually I'm a student and I have done this course
Okay.
now I'm doing and I will do this is very nice and three
Okay.
understand no it is very nice like way of speaking now do you
Okay, sir.
work understand
If
now
yes, sir. If
okay
they ask any question, so we should give the answer in one to
yeah
two or three lines.
because the first this is the first so
Yes,
two three lines sometimes three lines are enough maximum four lines you can add but
yes, sir.
try to speak in a flow and you know that what you are going to show here you are going to show the variety of structures मैंने कैसे आप past भी बता रहे हो आपको study work if they ask do you work or study so I'm a professional I did now I'm doing and I'm planning to do so this is okay
Okay, sir.
so I'm asking now and again
Mhm.
so, do you work or study
At this moment, I am a student. I have done my 12th in year 2016, and recently I have done my bachelor's in information technology from Victoria Institute of Technology, and in future I am planning to do masters in the same field.
Perfect answer. Just you are the occasionally that you have been now stammering. Otherwise, it's okay. Now you have to prepare such answers in the same way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was very like limited, perfect, good answer. You will score better.
Yes, sir. And
Now,
can we use idioms?
idioms, that is called idiomatic sentences that you can speak. Like it was raining cats and dogs when I was on the way. So why not? Idiomatic sentences are quite okay. That will you can score
Okay,
better.
okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Like I was in seventh heaven when I was in college. सेवेंथ हेवन सातवें आसमान मतलब बहुत खुश थी बहुत अच्छे चरम सीमा पे थी.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
the night was quite dark and gloomy as it was quite scary. I was stumbling. तो ये जब डिटेल करोगे ना तो ये सारे वर्ड्स आएंगे आपके सामने.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes,
So
sir. I understand.
so
I will
should
prepare all those topics with
I? Of
many.
course.
With,
I'll click this and I will click this and here I will ask you now. You just tell me to explain different questions. How I have given these questions here.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll ask you. How do you feel when you are late? How do you feel when you are late? Almost this question is almost here and here. So be very specific here. Are yourself very late often? Not at all, but it depends on. Okay. When others are late, you feel annoyed. But अब
Yes.
देखो यहाँ पे आपकी फीलिंग है. आपको कैसा महसूस होता है? दुख होता है, लेट हो गए, गुस्सा
Yes.
आता है, तो वो फीलिंग चाहिए, वो वर्ड्स देखना चाहते हैं. So now tell me, how do you feel when you are late?
Being late is not my type, but sometimes it depends on the situation that I'm getting. So sometimes even if I'm late, I feel I feel angry for myself, as I am a punctual, as I'm punctual toward my work or my studies, and sometimes when I late, I feel what do you call it?
It's okay. Again, it was you trying good answers, but you tried to not repeat one word twice and thrice, one sentence structure twice and thrice. Okay,
Yes,
be
I did.
diplomatic again here. Okay, suppose like how do you feel when you are late? So I feel dejected. I feel low because I'm not the type of the person who are often late. I always think what people will say about my personality, my control. So
Yes,
again, you have to give another sentence. I'm quite disappointed. I'm discouraged.
yes, sir.
Okay. So always try to have words with you. Now the next question is: do you wear a watch? Do you wear a watch?
Sir, to be honest, I am fond of the watches. I have a big collection of watches at my home from different brands, and I always wear a watch on my right hand where when I'm going out.
Good answer. अब तक का best answer आपका है. ठीक है? I'm fond of का इस्तेमाल किया. Fond of wearing watches. The different collections I have. Okay.
Hmm.
International brand, different collection, international brands. I'm fond of watches. ये आपके collocations हैं जो आपके points को और मजबूत.
Wearing watch always inspire me toward punctuality. Every time I look at my watch, I look for time and I forget.
Every moment is worth for me. So I'm a person who should not waste my time, even for a single moment. Every second, single moment. कभी इस्तेमाल कर अलग अलग time. So whenever I'm out, I'm traveling, I always have a watch, and I always look at the time so that I always apprehensive about myself. I'm afraid of being late. So this will help me a lot. Even the watch sometimes reflects the personality of a person.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is nice answer. This was the very first that the good collections, international brands. That was nice. Okay. Now this is very tricky questions. Be ready for that. Okay. When does time move very fast, and when do you feel that it moves very slow?
Okay. Um, it totally depends on someone's feeling, on someone's the way they look at the time. For example, if someone is doing an important work, they feel like time is running like water. But sometimes when people are free doing nothing, they look at the watch and they think like time is not moving. So according to me, when people are doing an important work, then the time goes more faster. And when people are free, then the time moves slowly, according to them.
Still, you have to think diplomatically, I told you. So it
Yes,
depends on the situation. When I wait for someone who is very loved, one, special for me, so that time seems very long to me. But when I'm in examination hall, it runs very faster. So it depends on the circumstances and situation for the different people and different scenario. So now, such as, for examples, okay, again, when does time move very fast and when does it seems to move slow? Time has its own wheel. Okay,
yes,
it
sir.
runs it runs according to the mood of a person, an incident, okay, about the situation. You
Yes,
ask the examiner, sir, I didn't catch your last word. Okay, so can you explain, sir, once again this question? So they will explain, and here you are not going to lose your score. Once again, I'm telling you. But
okay,
if
sir.
speaking time and again, it will lose your score. So
Yes, sir.
this is while training you, I'm also providing the tips of scoring better.
Yes, sir.
Tips to speak. Look, today I can feel that you are not stammering as earlier you used to.
Mm-hmm.
You can
Yes,
check it yourself. I know.